Hey everybody, it's Tutorial Queen CLT and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a yummy Caesar salad with only lettuce, croutons, and some, of course, Caesar dressing. So, of course, you're going to first pour in the lettuce. So let me go ahead and do that. And if you do get lettuce that has like little red pieces in it, as you can see mine doesn't have any, but if it has like some brown parts or kind of like burgundy kind of color, that's not the kind of, well, that's not lettuce that you want to have in your salad. So and then you're going to go ahead and add your dressing. Just put it all around and then we'll mix it in after. Okay, let me get that all in there. And then you're going to add your croutons, which I'm pretty sure they're just dried bread. Not sure, but they have some garlic on there. Go ahead and add those in, and we're going to go ahead and mix it up. And there you go. That is your Caesar salad. It's really simple and easy, and it tastes really good. So thanks for watching.